welcome to the Tech Tutors blog. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money or earn more money from your website, as it might be a news blogger or a DIY blogger or any type of blogger. But if you have a lot of audience and you want to make money from your website, you can definitely do this with the Android app. So we are going to be creating a free Android app and we are going to be making money from it. And this website offers it for free. You can make your app with lots of platforms. You can make which website, chat website, and lots of other types of website apps, so to say. So then we are going to be converting our a website I created, Kit Night, very nice website which I created. If you want to know how I created this website, I'll be creating a video on that soon. So consider to subscribe. And when this video is created, you'll be notified. I created an app for this particular website I created in this website, but I want to just show you on how to use it to create an app for this particular Kit Night DIY website. I'll be creating a video on this website as well, so you subscribe when I create the video on how to create a news website like this and how to add more functionalities like this. If you click on this button now, you will download the app which I created here, and I'm going to still edit this button, the better nice button, very soon. So if I click on it, for instance, you see here it's downloading. This is the APK version. So but because I've not added it to Google Play Store, so I just use the APK version here. But after uploading to Google Play Store, you can add more version. And the most amazing thing about this app, you can add it to Google Play Store and add more. A lot of things can earn more from it, and it's absolutely free and free forever. So we're going to get started. First of all, you visit this website called App Creator 24. In the App Creator 24 panel, you can just simply, after registering, you can log in here. I'll be dropping a link in the description below, so you can click on that link and log in. So use that link to log in and to start creating your account and get started with the App Creator 24. It's a very powerful website. So let's just dive in now. I want to log in now to my account. So I have some other app already. See here, I have two app already. Agape Chat. This is a social media app that for like Facebook, where you can send messages and receive messages, and it works very well. It's the one I developed for our church, so you can still consider developing one for church. I'll be showing how to develop them, but we are not going to be going to social media app. We are going to be building converting our website into an app. So you can just click on create. If you click on this create button here, create app, you see here you can just enter your app name. So the app name I want to use is Kainon. Okay, you can upload your app icon here. Do I see have the icon here? I think I misplaced that icon, but I gotta use something different. But you can depend to use something later, though you can change later. Well, let me just use something nice, but we will do a change to it later. So you can add any image here and decide to change it later. Let me just go with this one for now. So here you can have to choose from gallery, from different image from the template here, but I really like using a custom or icon. This is app icon, and you can just describe it. Okay, this is DIY website. You want to say the DIY tips. I just want to make it, you can see change this later. I'm just make it tips. That will be uppercase later. DIY tips. So you can just click on next. So with this app, you can be able to earn a lot of money as well. So I will show you the process on how to set it up, but in this particular video, I'm just going to show you how to create the app, and later in the next video, I will show you on how to be able to earn money from it, publish on Play Store as well. I'll create a video on that as well. So I want you to subscribe and share this video to reach more people, and I want you to like the video and as well. So in this particular place, you can choose the what you want your front to look like. I really like working with the red, but because let me just take a look at what the background here. So you can decide to change that later as well, but you can just pick anything. But I just want to just use the same color here. So let's work with the blue background here. So let's work with the blue, and you can just click next. And the most amazing thing with this particular website, you can create it from your phone. You don't need to have a computer that's or a PC to start creating. So you can create it from here, even in your phone. So you see here it says chat social network. You can create a website like Facebook and connect to other chatting websites. You can create a web app here, which is what we're going to be doing, converting our website into an app. Or you can use a TV or video app as well, which is just a lot of functionality here. Blog app, you can still use this one, but I'm not going to be using the blog app in this particular case. But you can see the radio station or music app service. So there's a lot of things and functionality to learn from here. So we're going to be sticking with this web app here. So let's stick with this web app here. I really like this function here. So you can just copy your domain name here, which is this. So you copy it and just can copy here. Let me just go back and paste it, save us some time. Paste it here, and next thing you have to do is just to your website title is it 9. So it's done already. So what you do now, you just click on next here. So you see the app has been created with data. So you just go to app manager. So this is your app is ready. You can download your app from this URL here, or you can still click on here, but for now I believe it will not be available for now. So you can try to copy this, just copy it, and you can send it to your, what I normally do, I send it on WhatsApp, or I save it and send it to my phone, to my device. So this is not my, so you send to your device, or you can just click here and you can still download it from your PC. But I'm not going to do it. I said application is not yet available, try again in 1 minute. So you can decide to, if you have maybe a scanner, you can decide to scan it to download it on your phone here. So this is how it is. The app's already created, but just want to mingle with some changes here. We want to just touch some changes which I believe can help you do more. So before we continue, I'm going to video with some changes, but before that I want to download this app. So you copy this URL here, click on copy address and send to your phone. I'm going to using WhatsApp to send it to my phone at this moment. So you can send it, I'll just send it through WhatsApp so I can be able to access from my phone. So let me just send it here. Okay, it's sent already. Sent already. So what I will do now is go to my phone here, which I've already added to my screen here. So just go to that particular place and just click on the link. Just click on the link here. So you just click on just open. So you see the download button here, but if it's not really mandatory to wait for 2 minutes, you just have to wait. But now click on this download button here, click on the big download button and wait, and just click on Chrome or any of your web browser you want to choose. So then you just wait for it to download. So you see here, click on, I might give you this warning, this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep? So because an APK file which is not yet verified by Google Play Store, which is normally or pop up this thing when you download any APK file. So you and you just wait for it to download. You can see here it's progressing, it's downloading. Just wait for it to download, and after downloading that, you have to install it. But at times you might find it difficult when installing, but I'm going to show you something. So you come to your settings here, come to settings, you move down to security, okay. Make sure to enable this that says unknown source, allow installation of apps from unknown source. So you must allow this first. You must allow this. You must allow this before for you to be able to install that APK file, because an APK file is an unknown source to Google. But I'll show you how to add your website, your app to Google Play Store after after completing the design. So it's very easy and it's very fast. So this you must enable this to be able to install the app after downloading. So you click on next. So let's just wait for it to complete downloading. So when it's done, let me just show some few designs here. For instance, you see sections. These are just designs, and you can change your name here, your icon, your launch message. You can start to add something in your launch message when the app is starting up. I'll show you how this works in the after the download of the app. But there's something I want us to change later, but I want you to see how it look before we do that change to it. Like, let me say, okay, the main menu here, stay, but we're not going to be using this top menu. That we don't want our app to show any top menu here, so we're going to be resume. Sorry, we're not going to be using any of this menu here, but what we're going to be doing, we're going to be using this without menu. I'm going to take any menu away because we don't need any menu. Our website already has its own menu here. This website already has its own menu, so we're going to be using this menu. So we are going to be using the blank menu, selecting this blank menu here. But if you still want to use any, but I want to show you how it looks with the menu after downloading the app. So that is for that. Another thing you want to, maybe your icons, your also, this is when if you posted your app on Google Play, you should need this rating here, rate app. This will be shown to your visitors when your users to rate your app. You can decide to set time limit and a lot of other things here. And as well is your sharing, which an icon which will show for users to be able to share your app, and that's where be shown to your user whenever. But this depends on how you want to set it as well. And as well, your general here depends on your a lot of things. Your description, which I said you can change again, and you can decide to add more there, and there are a lot of things here. You can decide to your privacy app, you can add it here, you can add different languages here. So guys, with that, and you can come here in sections and try to add more sections to your website. So we are going to talk about this in another video, but for this video we don't really need a video with that. So another thing I want you to know again is for those but we are not going to be using offices or printers, because this talks about for those who want an online store, app, stuff like that, your statistics, and this will really add your ADS to be able to earn from your app. So you can add a recent AD mode and start placing your ADS here to be able to earn from Facebook. But for this, we are not going to be doing this in this video. We are going to, and here you instructions, and here again statistics can show how your app is being used. And one thing I want to show to you is that let's send notification here. You can send notification to your users from directly new messages here. You can change the categories here. You can start to create a new message and send to your directly to your users, and they will receive the messages immediately being sent. So that is how easy it is to be able to then also you can just create a message here. I will show you how to create a message, but in this video we are still within the duration of not creating that, so you can just leave that for now. So one more thing I will still want to know, at times I want, like, let me just quickly go back here. You can start to change your app name, but in this particular setting, when these settings are changed, your app is being regenerated. Your app, because when you make any other changes apart from this particular block here, which says new name or icon, or you can be able to, it automatically saves. So, and this says here version name, so the version name is automatically upgraded, but I can decide to just change it because it's the first version, change it here. So, and this increases when this page is saved. This is not visible to users, so when this page is saved, the version automatically increases. So that's with that. And because this page automatically regenerates your app again, creates your app, but these other settings, they automatically saves, because, and you can decide to use only generate only APK versions. But when you want to generate AA version, AB version, this is the version you can as well post on your Google Play. So let's see something here. It said more information there. You can install APK files in your device or publish it on Google Play. So you can decide APK, you can do two ways, but your Android app bundle only can be published on Google Play, so you cannot download it on your device. So that is how it works. So you can try to generate both, or you can try to generate just this one. So when you save this again, you will have to re-download your device. Your users will be prompted to re-download your app to be able to use it. So that is for that. So you should note, if you are taking that into consideration, you should be able to not feel bad when you see your app reinstalling on your device. So one more thing I still want to show to you now is that you can see your menu type here. You can add your menu, okay, which I've said before. Your main menu here again, you can start to add your image, your icon. This is your icon I will show at the top of your main menu. So that is for that. So that's with that. So your colors here, you can see decide to change the colors of how you want your background to look. You can start to measure about it and add even new section, scrolling, a lot of things here which you can add as well. So this for that, but we are going to be moving to here. You can see add your background image. You can add a background image, virtual, or anyhow you want it to like fit up. You can choose from your files here, but I just want to leave it. Okay, I can't just leave for now because I don't have the access to the background which I want to use. Can try to add another background here, and most importantly, this loading image here, I'll show you what this loading image simply means. It's just like, so you can try to remove this image which is default here. You can try to add another one, choose from your files here, or and to how long does this show. You can try to, okay, I really like to become just 1 second, so you can try to use only image text only, none, but I just really prefer using image only. When not using the user might feel your app is not loading, but I think it still work well. But I'm not tried it before, but I think I'm going to try it very soon. So let's just quickly go to installing the app for now. Let's just install the app, which has already, so you just click on it and already downloaded. Remember, you must activate you must take the activation to be able to download. See here, the app's already keynote, so you just click on install here. It's very fast and easy to create an app. So the most important is that it is absolutely free, and you can be able to earn a lot from it if you really have a lot of visitors that you can really convince to get your Android app. And as well, it helps your visitors to get updated, and you get more visitors not only to your website, which you can see in from your donations from whatever platform you use to monetize, and as well you can earn from AD mode, just adding connecting a lot of, I showed you before. Let me quickly go back. ADS here, click on ADS here. You can see you can monetize with a lot of platform Facebook placement, AppNet placement, smart. So there are lots of ways to monetize your app with this particular platform, and it's what I really like about it is absolutely free, and it's very easy for you to create your web app with this particular website. And I will create a very multiple chat, which I really love the chat website. When I will show you how to create a chat app in this particular website, and how you can still able to make more money from it, just connecting people and as well video. So let's quickly go back to the installation process, and let's see if it is installed already. Okay, it is installed now. Just click on open. So just wait for it to open. So it's opening now. So because I've not added an image here, an image is supposed to show here because in this what I call loading image. The last time I showed to you, let's quickly go back to that place. It's a loading image here. So you can, because there's no image added, background image here, no image added, so we're showing just white, this particular background image here. But look at it now, the launch screen is showing this image which are in the loading screen here. So you can try to change the ratio, change to make it a full width image, but I just want to leave it this way because it's just a tutorial. So you can try to middle whatever I want to change with it. So just wait for it app to load properly, and I'll show you on how to do some other settings like icon settings, but we are going to just be starting from this particular bit after the app opens this particular top bar menu here. We are going to be removing all these things because we'll not be needing them. But if you are building like a short website or any type of website, you'll be needing this. But because I don't just like them the way they look on the app, let me just show you what I mean by that. Look at the app, it's ready here now. Let me move up a little bit. See here, these are the icons I'm talking about. So I don't want this because I already have a menu bar here already. So adding that will not be nice. I don't really like that. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to remove this top menu bar here, so that we'll be using our normal menu here, which is already available here. So that is why we're going to be doing. So I'm going to show you how to remove this top bar menu. First of all, you want to go back to your Kitnet here. Go back to your app creator studio here. So what you're going to do is you can try to remove it from here, but I don't really want to do that. So you just come to menus here, click on menu. So you just click on this without menu here. So you click on save. Note your app will not automatically save the device until you go back and reopen your app. Just exit it and reopen your app. Since you just exit your app and reopen it. So I'm going to reopen this app now. So this is the app here. So let me just open it. So when you reopen your app, the changes will automatically be saved. So it's loading faster because it has been installed. So it's a very fast app. I like it, and it takes just less time to load. Loading speed. So let's just see what it will look like now. With that top menu, you can decide to change a lot of things as well, like having to be able to share your app. And see, this how it is. Our app is ready. Your app is ready. It's completed. So you can decide to do some other changes. And so now next video, I'm going to show you how to be able to monetize your app, to be able to earn from it. So this is it's ready. So this is how it is to create a Android app for your blogs website in just minutes. So it's very easy, fast and reliable, and you will not regret creating, because it will help you to secure your users. The user can able to access your website from the mobile phone and get more tips daily. Especially if you're a news blogger, I recommend you have an app like this, because you will be able to secure your followers and get more, or give them more updates whenever they're necessary. Like a DIY blogger, you still need this though, because you can be able to really give more articles to your client and as well, and that is how I really want you to do this. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to be able to monetize your I want to but I will create a video on that though. But now next we are going to show you how to make it with some other changes here, like some icon, but we don't really need this. We don't want to. It's okay like this, already cool like this, so we don't. But we are going to present that up. But in this next video, which I'm creating, I'm going to show you how to be able to monetize your website, your app, to be able to earn from it as you people are downloading. As you get more downloads, you can be able to use. So remember, there's the link to this website in the description below. Click the link and start creating your app today. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on how to earn money from your website and more tips to be able to blog properly. I've seen a lot of bloggers who just post messages on blog and just don't really earn from it. But when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will show you how best tips and best way to be able to maximize your blog to earn more money, not just only from donations. Like I've seen when people ask, you only earn money from donations with your blog? No, you can earn money from a lot of other ADS platforms like net a lot of I can't remember now. So you can, I will show you how to integrate as much as you can. And the best part of integrating, I just see a lot of website visitors, I just see a lot of ADS everywhere, and it's really messy because your client your visitor might be very annoying with those ADS, but when you place them in a very orderly manner, you can be able to have more clicks and have earn more. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really much so we're going to create that video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more tips on how to blog properly and earn more money from blogging, and as well how to start an effective YouTube channel. I teach market, like we're going to be creating an affiliate marketing website and how to earn and money from affiliate marketing. And so we're going to create an app for that affiliate marketing website where you can sell other company like Amazon products and stuff like that, so earn from it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe.